Hi, I'm Chuck Gogol, Director of Business Operations for Centerville City Schools. Today, I'm here at Centerville Stadium to take a look at the lighting project that we're working on currently. On the visitor side, the two poles have become a safety issue and a safety concern due to ongoing issues in where they were originally installed. Because of that, the decision was made after 6 or 7 years of problems to go ahead and replace both poles on the visitor side. As part of the project, lights on all 4 poles here at the stadium are being replaced, but only the visitor side poles are being completely replaced in order to cut down on costs. The stadium here at Centerville is obviously used by our football and our band, as well as track, cross country for Saturday Night Lights. Our PE classes are out here on almost a daily basis when the weather is appropriate. It is also a possible revenue source for the district by utilizing it as a rental facility. The use of the new lights here that will be run at a cheaper cost will hopefully help decrease the rental availability of this facility.